Hey guys, welcome to my channel Little Panda. This is a little panda who creates creative stuff. And if you're visiting my channel for the very first time, then press the red button over there. And if you've done so, a big thumbs up for you guys. So no waiting, let's get into the video. And today's video is about painting the water bottles. You're gonna get the water bottles in your home very easily. And you're gonna paint them and decorate them in the plants. I'm gonna decorate it with the plants, hanging plants, and I'm gonna paint this all. I have already cut this, you can see, for my plants, and this too. So we're gonna paint this one